Hi guys and welcome back to this series, and we're teaching everyone how to become a forex trader. So the series is named Forex Trading for Every Beginner. All right. So in this video we're going to be showing you how to choose a broker, because we figure that a lot of you will be wanting to start trading and you need to choose a good broker. So we're going to be showing you how to make that decision for yourself. All right, so straight ahead to this video. All right, so choosing a broker. Now, what is a broker? That is one of the first things you want to ask yourself or answer yourself when watching this video. So basically, a broker is a financial institution or an individual that provides a platform for traders to access the foreign exchange market. Because the foreign exchange market is a very broad space, there will be need for you to have someone that is kind of an intermediary for you to help you facilitate the buying and selling of foreign currencies. You need someone who stands in the gap for you, because you can't access all the foreign currencies on your own. Even if you want to do that, by the time you're accessing these currencies, the price would have been fluctuating and you would have missed out on what you want to take advantage of. All right. So you need an intermediary to facilitate the exchange of foreign currency. Hence, you'll be needing a broker. Now, there are several brokers out there in the market. How would you be able to choose the best broker? So these are a few things you should look out for when choosing a broker. Okay. Now, before we go into what you're going to be looking out for, there are key functions that every broker should perform towards its client. When you see that, you know what a broker is and what you should expect of every broker. The first is trade execution. All right, the broker is supposed to help you or create a market for you where they will execute trades on your behalf. All you need to do is to analyze your trades and then be willing to make those trade decisions, and your broker is going to make those trades on your behalf. Okay, so trade execution is one of the very first thing that your broker is going to do for you. Okay, so the broker directly connects every trader to the interbank market, offering faster and potentially more competitive execution. Okay, so these brokers help you to be able to meet up in time with market execution as fast as possible. They connect you with the main liquidity provider or the interbank, the big banks who have these currencies that you want to trade. All right. Second thing that a broker does for you is to provide you with leverage and margin. Okay. So the broker provides you with leverage and margin. It allows you to control larger portions or larger positions with a small amount of money. Okay. So the minimum the minimum amount of positions that an average trade should carry is about 100,000 units or thereabouts. So you can't do that except you have about $100,000 in your account. But with these brokers, they provide us with leverage such that even with 100 or with a $50 account, you can get access to such leverage. Hence, you'll be seeing things like 1 is to 100, 1 is to 500, 1 is to 1,000 on the leverage options when selecting a broker. So go with brokers who provide you higher leverage. All right. Then they provide you with platforms and tools for you to take advantage of the foreign exchange market. All right. So the platforms, it could be the MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5 platforms, just like we showed you in the previous video how to navigate these platforms. It's a broker that provides you with that platform so that you can do your analysis right there using tools like the charts, the trading indicators, and even news feed. All right. So many brokers provide you with all these, and this is what you should be expecting from your brokers. Now you'll be thinking, what is in it for these brokers? How do they make their own money to keep them floating? All right. So they make money through different things. First is spread. All right. In the very first video or in the beginning of this series, we discussed what spread is. So if you've not watched it, you have to go back to the previous videos to watch that. Okay. So we discussed spread, and this is how one of the ways that brokers make money. They make money off spread, which is the difference between buying and selling price. Okay. The second way they make money is off commissions. Sometimes when you place a trade, there is a commission that is charged based on the amount of lot size that you use. the broker charge you for every trade you take. Some brokers do not charge commissions, but they charge high spread. Some brokers charge low spread and they charge high commissions. Okay, so you should be aware of that. Then, lastly, the last way brokers make money is off swap rates. All right, so swap is the amount that the broker charges you when you want to run an overnight position, when you want to leave a position from today running into tomorrow. Now, these guys have servers and they have staff who are observing the servers and they need to pay them off. All right, so it's an extra cost on their side to allow a trade run into the next day. So they charge you a swap. Most times, these swaps are quite little compared to the commissions. Okay, but then it also depends on the amount of lot size you're using. So different brokers have their different swap rates and different commission rates and also different spreads. So you should be aware of that when signing up with a broker. Right? Now, choosing the right brokers, there are about 7 things that you should have in mind or you should watch out for when choosing the right broker. Now, the first thing is regulation. You need to be sure that your broker is regulated by reputable financial authorities. For instance, the Security and Exchange Commission's (SEC). You're going to be hearing a lot of that in this video. All right, so your broker has to be regulated. Second thing is trading costs. You need to be sure that the spread, the commission, and the overnight swap rates are quite affordable by you. All right, so you need to check out for that. You need to look out for that and make sure that they are quite moderate and it's something you can afford going forward. Okay, then the next thing you need to check is leverage and margin. All right, so access the leverage and the margin offered by your broker, okay, so that you ensure that they align with your risk tolerance so they don't overexpose your account or underexpose your account. Okay, so observe the leverage and the margin ratio of the brokers. Okay, then the fourth thing that you should watch out for is the trading platform. Make sure that whichever broker you're choosing is having a user-friendly and a reliable trading platform. The MT, whether it's the MT4, whether it's the MT5, whether it's the C Trader, whichever one, make sure that it's user-friendly. One of the most user-friendly trading platforms I've seen in a long while is the MT5 and the MT4. Some of them have only MT5, some have both, some have even the C Trader, right? But MT4 and MT5 are standard, so I advise you to just go for brokers who have MT4 and MT5 platforms. All right, and then also consider a demo account. Make sure that your broker has a demo account, especially when you're just starting. Demo account will help you to learn the in and outs and the basics of forex trading at no cost. All right, so make sure that they have that. Then the next thing is customer support. Now, you should be sure that your broker is quite responsive. You should be sure that your broker has a very helpful customer support, and then you can access them and get your issues resolved as soon as possible. All right, then the sixth thing is account type. Check if your broker offers account types that are suitable to your trading capital and your trading style. Right? So when you check that, you know if you to go to with that broker or not. Then you should check if your broker have educational resources, just like we are doing here. We're giving you educational resources for free. Um, Unfortunately, I'm not a broker. Soon, maybe in coming years or coming months, so I'll become a broker, or we'll possibly partner with a broker. Okay, so that will provide educational resources like this for free. All right, so make sure your broker offers educational resources. If they don't, since I already have one in this channel, you can refer back to this, or you can look for another broker that has educational materials like this. All right. If they don't, I think you can ditch the broker or you should look for an alternative. All right. Alternatively, you can stick with this channel and we'll be able to put you through. All right. So that is all for choosing brokers. Okay, so this is the checklist for choosing brokers. Regulatory compliance is like a summary. Regulatory compliance, competitive spreads and fees, adequate leverage options, reliable trading platforms, responsive customer support, and educational resources. All right. So, lastly, I just want to add this. I know it's not here on the slide, but I just want to add this. You should also look out for brokers who have fast deposits and fast payout options. Okay, so you wouldn't want to place a withdrawal today and you'll be getting it in like 2 days time. All right, look for brokers who are very responsive with their withdrawal processes. Okay, so that will be all for this video, and I hope with this you are now knowledgeable on how to choose the very best brokers out there that will suit your trading style and help you towards profitability. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video. Cheers and God bless, guys.